In this video, I want to show you how to convert Excel table to GIS point data in SAGA GIS. For example, you can see this Excel table which consists of points, name of the point, then most importantly, the X and Y of each of the points. And I have about 37 locations here. So if I want to convert this table to point data in SAGA GIS, let me show you how to do it. The first thing to do is to save this table in text tab delimited, and to do that, come to File and click on Save As. So navigate to your working folder and save it. For example, let's save it as table. Then here, choose the format, click on this drop down and select text tab delimited. Then click on Save. Click on OK and click on Yes. So it has been saved. So we can now close this. Then open your SAGA GIS. So when you open SAGA GIS, the first thing to do is to come to Windows and click on Show Object Properties window. You can see it here. The next one, click on Windows and enable Show Message window. You can see it here. I'll show you the reason why we have to enable this. Then the next thing to do is to bring in the table we have saved as text tab delimited. So come to File, come to Data. Depending on the version of SAGA GIS you are using, the approach is similar, but this is the approach. Come to File and come to Data, click on Table. Then navigate to that your working folder and come to the table you have saved as text tab delimited. In my case, here is it. Click to select it and click on Open. So when you do that, it will display message here. If you look at the message is displaying here, you can see at the end you see OK. So if I come to this error, there is no error message here, which means the table is in right format, so we are correct. So the next thing now is to convert this table to points, which is the task ahead of us. And to do that, come to Tools. Here is Tool, come to Shape, click to expand it, then come to Points, click to expand it. Here you can see Construct Point from Table. In lower version, you will see Convert Table to Points. So in higher version, you will see Construct Point from Table. So double click it to open Construct Point from Table. Here you have to set some parameters. The first one is to set the table. You click here and select the table you brought in. Then the X, click here and select the X field, and Y, click here and select the Y field. After that, click on OK. So here we see the messages here. There is no error message, which means the conversion is successful. Now we can close this properties page and also the message page. Then come back to data. When you come back to data, you can see that this was the table we brought in, and here is the point we have converted it to. Now to visualize the point, just double click this table and you can see that our table has been converted to point data, just as you can see here. So in short, this is how to convert Excel table to GIS point data in SAGA GIS. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.